that's okay.
Hello, hello. One more time, and every time.
Wait, Lee, did you bring your phone?
We're on a vacation. Of course, we keep forgetting things. Ooh, what was it? Did you see the wasps have built a nest?
Oh,
A big one. I'll show you a scary one. We're at Folly Beach. If you haven't watched the previous episode, please watch it. This is our crew. He's crying. He popped his pimple. And it was painful. It's gone, right? He's a big boy now. One thing, Durgalis, how do we go out? I am this way or that way? This way?
This way, yeah.
Go get your boogie board. Go.
No?
You should get one.
Okay. Mom, you can get one so you can float.
Yeah. No, I'll use
actually.
the kids
Like if you need.
just for a second. Was this a golf cart?
Yep.
Oh, a battery pump. Guys, come. Like, you look so cool with those sunglasses and with this thing, boogie ball. I hope it's clean. I haven't been there. Did you walk by the beach? No? Let's hope it's nice and clean looking. No smoking. We haven't been to a beach, no beach whatsoever for ages.
It's so hot.
I know, because we're not huge fans. But might as well. Greg, walk!
No,
He's like suffering. The sand is so nice. So smooth. I think we don't have any of these tents or special beach supplies. All we have is towels. Or maybe we can sit on those boogie boards.
Mom, there's so many different shells.
I know,
here,
so many
look.
shells. Then kids are huge fanatics.
I collect this one. Look at how pretty they are.
I know. Let's do this tomorrow, Lil.
Yeah?
Yeah, when we get ready to leave. Okay, let's see. Keep an eye on the kids. They both are very good swimmers, so I'm kind of not very much worried. I'm slightly worried because you never know. There are waves that can be really powerful and
I
strong.
saw a crab.
You saw a crab? Let me see. Oh, the water is so nice and warm.
No.
Yeah. The water is nice, very warm, but I don't think it's very clean. Or maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, it's okay. I don't want to see that. Oh, here. Here you go. Aw, look at this.
Okay.
No, cook it, he says. Okay, let's see how you do this. I don't know how. They've never done this, so it's kind of new to them. But look at the other children, professionals. And it's not deep. Look at it. The water is so warm, nice and warm. Oh, the keys, of course. Woo! Adam. Watch them closely. Oh, the waves are coming so strong. My husband is a great swimmer. He's like a fish, a shark probably. You okay? You okay? I see you. He with his weight on that boogie board, it sank. Closer. Okay, I was sunbathing. We had so much fun jumping, running away from waves like children. I mean, kids don't run from waves, it's just me. I was so scared. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go take a swim or maybe swim till the middle of the ocean. I didn't know Atlantic Ocean this warm and this inviting. I love it. I think we're becoming beach people. We should buy one of those tents or umbrellas and all the accessories. We're done with our beach adventures for today. No more. Okay, we're gonna go get some rest and make some food, enjoy, and see what's next. Okay. There are showers over here. No shampoo? Okay, I'll tell you, you have enough shampoo? Okay. Lavati? Okay. Today's menu is very simple. Pizza, but quick version of pizza. We got some pita bread. It looks slightly different from the pita we used to buy, but it looks good. It should be okay. Arkabek, Lil, you all want pizza? Okay, because I also want to make, because I'm not gonna eat pizza. You want pizza, Adam? I'm also making some rice, and we have chicken nuggets. It's like ready dinner because we're on vacation. Chicken nuggets, pizza, rice, salad. What else I was gonna make? I don't remember. Rice, salad, pizza, chicken nuggets. I think it's enough, but if I remember, hold on. I opened the freezer and remembered about something. Maybe it was the rice, I don't know. I can't remember. We also have hummus, which will be perfect with rice and salad. Okay, this is ready, which is great. So I'll do this. I'll make all 6 of them. I can always preheat them. Arka loves pizza. He can eat it 24 hours a day, right, Arka? Yeah. Okay, we got some mozzarella, and then we got fresh mozzarella balls. I thought if it's pizza, let's make it a bit more complex. Oh yes, one more kind of cheese. I'll add only a few pieces, a few slices. Gouda cheese and Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, and we got pepperoni. Ready sauce. It's a good sauce. Kids like it. So I'm gonna shred the cheeses and simply make it. Easy peasy. Oh, it's working. In the morning we were trying to zest some lemon for pancakes, and this part was so dull. It was simply massaging the zest, so it didn't work out. I had to slice it and mince it with knife. But this side is working perfectly. Give me an hour. Usually when we buy these sauces, I have to blend it, because if they find chunks in their pizza, they'll be very, very unhappy. I think this is not very bad. I'll remove a few pieces eventually, but so far it's good. Even if I buy these sauces, I end up adding some garlic, oregano, olive oil, Parmigiano Reggiano to make it a bit more like with character, more flavorful. I'll make 2 with cheese and 4 with pepperoni, because most of them like pepperoni.
Yes, except Beck.
Except Beck and Lucy. Some Gouda. The cheese version, I'll make it with a few cheeses, but with pepperoni, just mozzarella. You know, the tiny, mini ones. Actually, I can also add some chicken slices. Would you like a chicken nugget pizza, guys? Something new.
I can do it.
Okay, Alice, I'll make 1 chicken nuggets pizza. It's just a meat. Instead of sausage or other meat, you just add chicken. Okay. Wow, some Parmigiano. This one. And for the nuggets, since they're teeny weeny, I may slice it into pieces. Okay. This looks good, I think. One more. Nothing original, I know. Alright. We don't have any other vegetables, and it's not like they're very fond of vegetables. Oven 495. I don't know why. I just decided 495. So hopefully I can fit all 4. Oh, I forgot to add the nuggets. Where's this one? Cheese and the nuggets, all in one, like a quick dinner. I think it's too much. No, it's too much. I don't want to waste it. That's it. I wish it was always this easy to make dinner. I'm just preheating. Right. I'll make simple salad. It's a ready salad, and the rice I soaked it in cold water. I washed and soaked it. It's basmati rice. This one. I'll discard and add more water just to cover the rice. Okay. Salt, butter, and that's it. Maybe some olive oil. I'll add olive oil now, and the butter when the water simmers down a little bit. Salt to taste. Lucine is sleeping, that's why I'm whispering. They got all tired. I got tired. The food is ready. I think we need to wake up Lucy, guys. Everything looks good. Cheese pizza, pepperonis. Perfect. And the rice is cooking. 2-3 more minutes. Salad, I'm not very impressed with these greens. They're tough and not, I don't know, not super fresh looking. We ended up choosing the good ones. Okay, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper. We don't have anything else. I'm gonna add some tomatoes to the salad. No avocados, Lil. Okay. And avocados. Just like so. We'll make it more flavorful, more complex. I need to taste it. Teeny bit of salt. Teeny weeny. Guys, wash your hands. He's eating a carrot. Now this is ready. We'll get the hummus. Maybe the cheese is too. Okay, guys, come on. Somehow, I'm gonna slice it and then on the table. And since there is no pizza slicer, there is this other tool called scissors. Okay. I'll do 4 pieces, 4 slices. Ooh. Oops, so bad. It's ready. Oh my god, it's so heavy. That's that. Chicken nuggets will go on one platter with rice. Makes sense. Rice and nuggets. Okay. Oh, it even got a little crisped up. Oh, what's that? I should have crisped it more, huh?
That's okay.
It's okay. We get here and nuggets and that's it. Do we have water? No. Okay. Very hot. Do we have ketchup? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything looks good, smells good. Bon appetit. Are you gonna try this pizza? Chicken nugget pizza?
Do salad cu ce smak?
Aram you want klavik?
Yes.
Crispy pie. Luz, did you get the crispy oven?